Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you're both safe and doing well. This past weekend, I used Dollar Tree mirrors and chrome trim to make a simple but elegant mirrored wall decor. Let me show you how. I started off with two Dollar Tree foam boards. I used generous amounts of tacky glue and hot glue to glue both boards together. I then added a 20-inch piece of the trim to the 20-inch side of my foam board. Next, I removed the foam tabs and stickers from the back of 4 of my 5-inch Dollar Tree mirrors, and I used hot glue to attach them to my foam board as well. I then added my second piece of trim, but only to the right of my bottom 3 mirrors. I continued to add more rows of the mirrors, but I lessened each row by 1 mirror and the strips by 5 inches until I had placed down all 10 mirrors. Once my first 10 mirrors were in place, I then used an Xacto-Knife to remove the excess foam board. Next, I added the chrome trim around the perimeter of my foam board. The adhesive tape on the back of these strips is fairly strong, but it's not a bad idea to also add small amounts of hot glue as well. I decided not to add the chrome trim to this side of the foam board because it won't be visible when this piece is displayed. I then repeated that same design on the remaining half of the foam board. I've only used one package of the chrome trim so far, but as you can see, I'm just a few inches shy of what I need to complete this part of the project. I've opted to leave this final piece out altogether because it won't be very noticeable when I display my piece, but you'll want to keep that in mind if you decide to replicate this project. I'm often asked, how do I clean my mirrors? I simply use rubbing alcohol followed by a microfiber cloth. I really love how this super simple design turned out. It's both modern and very elegant, but let's look at some other styling options. For style number 2, I've added some gray marble wallpaper and I've made the design appear a bit bigger by placing each of the mirror pieces in the top left and bottom right corners of my wall opening. For style number 3, I've made some individual mirror and chrome pieces and I've placed a few of those right in the center of my original design. For style number 4, I've added those same individual pieces along the perimeter of my wall opening and left white space in the center. My favorite is style number 4. Grays and whites usually don't show up well on camera, but take my word when I tell you that the mirrors really open up this space and the gray wallpaper is beautiful. But what do you guys think? Which style is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.